Penguin round 2 with running.
What time is it?
Past pillar number 3. Yep.
And they can't go past 7.
Yep. Okay. But the Penguin will be in between there somewhere, so. Okay. My guess is it'll be in that middle area with no cover again. That's usually where they like to hide it. Probably in a, yeah, we can run now. As long as you don't have the Penguin. If you have the Penguin, you gotta walk. That's always been a rule though, so.
So, we just bum rush the middle?
It's probably not a bad idea if we can get there. If we get wiped, then they get free reign to check it. So if we have a couple people that want to bum rush the middle while the rest of us cover, you up? Alright. What's that?
Otherwise I was just gonna go pistol in.
I got a pistol. Oh, you got a pistol too. Paul, you gonna rush? Alright, here we go. You want to take a right? Make sure we get somebody in the maze and stuff. Could be in power building too, but I don't think he'd do that. Fuck it, I'm going with you. Good. Check all the barrels. Oh, shit. You almost got me. Hit. Dead man walking out. Dead man, dead man. Ooh, don't shoot me.
I see it now.
Where? Huh?
I see it now.
Where is it?
On the middle.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding. Really?
Yep.
Son of a bitch. That's gonna suck to get. Alright, well, he said sadistic. I don't like it. Oh. I avenge you. Damn it! Yeah, that's game. That's game. I saw you guys got him like, shit, I gotta go for it. One more. Where was it? It was up here.
He was hanging right there.
Oh, is it hanging up there? Son of a bitch.